Hey everybody, welcome back to Ogre Speed Shop. So we got a trailer now. Let's do some upgrades on it. Let's get into it. So I think the first upgrade of any trailer should be some kind of storage on it. Plus I want to put a box on it for a winch. I'm going to be putting a winch on it, but I want it to be inside a box rather than just out in the open. I mean, I thought about putting one just right there on the end, but I think I want to put it in a box and I'll have it run either up and over or through the bed here. So what I got, and I've done some research. I looked all through Amazon, through Tractor Supply, Atwoods, everything. And this is the best bang for the buck. I found one on Amazon for like 95 bucks, but this distance here was only 15 inches. And it's like, so it'd be like a, I don't know, it wasn't enough storage for me. So I went on Harbor Freight, didn't think they had them. And they had the one that's exactly what I wanted. So let's get this put on first. That'll be the first upgrade. So with the dick was shut up, and let's continue here. Let's get this thing unboxed and see what we got. I checked it out and displayed at the store, and it seems pretty nice, pretty solid. And honestly, yeah, everybody, rips on Harbor Freight for the quality and everything. But how can you really screw up a metal box? So it's either that or I make my own. But for 100 bucks, because it was $126 or $129, and I had 15% off coupon, so I took like, I think $17 off of it, which I'll take any day. The hardware bag open. Okay, so we gotta give Harbor Freight some crap about that. The baggie gave way. Now the hardware is on the bottom of the box. Alright, so let's put this thing on. See what we got going on here. It's got mounting hardware that looks like it's supposed to go around the bracket on the tongue of the trailer. Don't know if that's the way I'll attach it or not, because I'm not sure if it'll fit that way or not. It's locked. I'll tell you what, I got my own box. Look at that, so you got a little dealio, and it's got a seal around it, so I guess it could be waterproof. All right, so that wasn't too bad to me. Let's get you inside here so you can all see. All right, so it's kind of dark in there, but looks like it'll be a pretty decent box. And I really don't know if those will work or not, but we'll try it out. So let's get over to the trailer and see what we got. Y'all can see these marks I put on here earlier. That was for an Amazon box that I was looking at. So it wouldn't fit. It was that one that from Temu that said it was only 15 inches from here to here. So it wouldn't have been very good, in my opinion. Well, I can tell you one thing's for sure, is those U-bolts are not going to be long enough. Just center as best as possible. U-bolts definitely aren't going to work. But yeah, I kind of like that. So I'm pretty sure we're going to be drilling our own holes for this. And I need to leave room for this. I thought about relocating this somewhere else, but it's pretty well protected there. And I think I'll be able to open the door up with the box where it's at. Maybe move it forward a little bit. And yeah. Move it to where I was really going to do it. I'll check that to make sure the door opens so we can get into the battery compartment for the brakes. But other than that, I think it's looking pretty good. Just no way it's going to use those U-bolts. Those are definitely for a smaller trailer. Yep. So I'm gonna get some holes drilled in that and get it bolted down. All right, so I got the box set up, basically exactly centered everywhere. And I think we're gonna go ahead and screw or drill some holes and bolt her in. So you can see the holes here aren't gonna work, but that'll work for me. You see how the got equal distance here and here, and there and there. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill some holes and bolt her down. Stop, dude. Yeah, that might hurt if you do that, dummy. All right, got all the holes drilled. Let's just bolt her in now. There you have it. All right, there we have the first of the upgrades we're gonna do to the trailer so we can use it better and more efficiently. So we got the box on, it opens, it closes, and we're good to go. Couldn't use the hardware that came with it, but that's all right. I am fine with that. I need some adjustment on that lock. So, but overall, pretty happy with it. I like it. My Hallmaster tongue box. Yes. All right, so we're gonna finish up this video on our first addition to the new trailer. So we put the new box on there. So now I need y'all's help because I gotta decide what kind of winch I wanna put on there. So let me know down in the comments what winches you use, which ones you like, you know, which ones you've seen working good and which ones I should avoid. So I'm looking at like a 12,000 pound one, which might be overkill, because I can always use a snatch block if I need to. I'm looking at like a 9,500 pound one and a 5,500 pound one. So I've seen a few on Amazon, so let me know about those ones. Just let me know your preference. I'm still on a budget though, so you know, kind of keep a budget in mind here. But anyways, let's go ahead and finish up this video. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a like, leave me a comment, let me know what I can do better, and leave me suggestions on what winches to use. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I can't talk today. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So until next time, I will see you all later.